Hey everyone, welcome to a musical Highlights at Home, where the theme of this collection of free digital fun with the purpose resources is Make Some Music. I'm Julie, editorial director of Highlights Learning, and we've assembled this collection of ideas to make life with kids a bit more fun by making it a lot more musical. For example, there's a musical hidden pictures puzzle of two kids practicing their violins. You might want to challenge your kids to try singing a favorite song while doing the puzzle. Can you find all of the hidden objects before you finish the song? Even though many of us may not be able to participate in musical activities in public for a while, it doesn't mean that we can't enjoy the benefits of making music at home. Music helps develop social emotional skills as well as language and reading skills, such as vocabulary and phonemic awareness. Music reinforces math concepts such as fractions and division, and even helps with memory. That may explain why I know every verse to the song Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, but can't remember a single thing about the Franco-Prussian War. Have you ever had a song stuck in your head? It's really annoying, right? Baby Shark, anybody? Our story in this week's collection tells the tale of a girl named Sammy who goes to tremendous lengths to get a song out of her head, but it has a surprise ending that involves a whole family, so you should check it out. Calling all budding songwriters, this collection has something super exciting just for you. It's our Poem to Song event, where kids can submit an original poem for the chance to have it set professionally to music, just like 11-year-old Evelyn did for her song, Hop Diddy Bop. Great job, Evelyn. Now, if you watch the video closely, your child might even be able to spot the hidden pictures in the video itself. How cool is that? Now, if you don't have instruments at home, that's not a problem. We will show you how to make a guitar out of using a recycled box, a shoebox, some pencils, and some rubber bands, and it's really fun. For kids who enjoy a creativity challenge, we have a suggestion about composing a song but writing it in Pig Latin, or should I say Ig Pay Atenlay, right? I did it. Finally, who doesn't want to be able to do this? Ready? From the Highlights book of things to do coming out this fall comes directions on how to teach yourself to whistle loudly. That way you'll always have music with you, or at least you'll be able to call the kids for dinner. In the meantime, we'll be back in a few days with more free resources. Let us know how you're doing in the comments below, and remember, let's see if I can do this, ooh-yay, at-gay, is-they. Take care, everyone.
Hey parents, find more great videos on Highlights for Grown-ups, the channel that helps you help your kids be their best selves.